My name is Ramachandra and I am the head of the ZF Aftermarket in India. And we have the products both from the CVS range, which basically contains to the commercial vehicle division requirements. Then we also have the passenger car products that has been manufactured and marketed from the ZF range. The brands that we are talking about are very world popular and famous. We have the Lemforder, we have the Sachs, we have the TRW and Wabco. Wabco, I think it's like a household name today for every commercial vehicle distributor, dealer, and the customer utility. Let me tell you that the landscape of the aftermarket by itself has totally changed from what it was maybe 10, 15 years back to what it is today. While still the major cake in terms of the business has remained with the trading business, which basically means the distributors, the retailers, and the end customers, that are mechanics. It has actually gone much beyond this with the connected solution requirements. So previously, the business was more reactive in terms of supplying spare parts to a customer. Now it has become more proactive in terms of actually predicting the requirements of what the customer requires. Then we are able to then organize this. This is what I keep telling my customers as well. ZF has got the potential being a global company, moving away from a simple parts supplier to a solution provider. So if you ask me, in Automechanica, we would want to partner with customers, help them to see that they're able to earn better in terms of any business they're doing. If it's a retailer, we would want to give him the feel of the width and depth, whereby he maintains less stock but still does a better rotation of his cash. If it is a distributor, we want to help him by keeping the material as close to him, whereby his ROI improves. If it is a fleet operator, we want to see that he earns the best out of his fleet management system through our connected solutions. So in all, the benefit that ZF wants to give is an end-to-end solution provider, not just as a spare part supplier. If you look at the landscape of today auto parts, and especially with the global brands like ZF and others that are existing, you will find, Bala, that many of them are confined to a deep product of what they have been doing for decades. There are not many companies like ZF who can give you a solution with a bandwidth. Let's take what we are talking about today. Today we have both the VLAN solutions and also the activation requirements, which means that if a customer comes to us, we will be able to give them the best capability of repair services. We will also supply the spare parts for those repair services. And don't forget that we are today the masters in the capability of connected solutions. And with that connected solutions, we have the strength of actually getting into the ECU of the major air braking requirements. And this helps us actually to decode the right requirement of the product and then supply it to the customer. Thereby, the solution, like I keep telling this to my customers, is not that I provide you a spare part, but I provide you a solution end of the day. And this also is well coupled with the workshop services that we will be launching very soon in India. The bandwidth that we are today catering in terms of customer and customer belt is immense. So we have, trade channel customers, basically the retailers and the distributors, who will definitely be one of our very important, I would say, partners in progress. We will also have direct customers and fleet operators who will take the benefit of our connected solutions, our capability of the workshop services, and also the door control systems and other institutional products that we are offering to them. We will have a very strong mechanic and customer connect, because we would be offering to them diagnostic tools and services. We would be talking to them in terms of having a better workshop tools and capabilities. And not to forget, we will have a very strong connect with the OE pedigree that we are always known for, and therefore the OES customers as well. So I think there would be very few brands in the Automechanica who will be catering this wide bandwidth of customers who will be getting everything. Let's break this into two very important parts, Bala. One is business by itself. Yeah. So I think, and I would invite and I would request most of the trade channel and also the mechanics to come and witness the new range products available there. just not ZF alone, but also the availability of the other brands that exist in Automechanica. I think Automechanica is one umbrella, I would say, where people will get this information, in the one visit that they're doing. Now, second thing is most important is to understand which direction the market is going, yeah, and thereby you are prepared to also build up your capability and strength to see that you are in the same wavelength of the market growth. And I think Automechanica gives them and teaches that important study as well. I have been in the Automechanicas in Dubai, I've been in Frankfurt regularly, I've seen Delhi as well. And from a company side by itself as an individual, I've learned a lot. And I would urge people to also visit Automechanica, whether you are a customer, whether you're a dealer, a retailer, you have an opportunity to learn. And this is the reason why I would invite you all to Automechanica.